What's up guys, and welcome to a new location. We're in Ballygally and we are currently halfway through a little road trip to the north coast of Ireland, where we're going to be spending 2 nights in, I don't really know what it's called, what is it? Like a little...
It's like a little log, like a cabin.
It's an Airbnb, a little Airbnb cabin. We're just going up for like a few nights to take some photos and do what we do. So we've stopped off here to get some stuff in the shop and just take a few photos, and it's pretty damn cool looking. I must say. It is cold, but it's not too bad to be fair. So I mean, we're not right in the greatest spot along the coast yet, but we're getting there, so hopefully there's some cool views and we can show you that too.
And we've made it up to Ballycastle, which is where we are staying, and it's time to take some photos. The plan for today is to hopefully get to a few different locations around here, around the cliffs. So the first location, which is right here, is called Kinbean, and didn't really go to plan because it's actually closed at the moment. We thought it was going to be closed because of, but it's not. It's actually conservation work that's going on right now, so we can't actually get down and in and around this area. It's nice here though.
Sure is. And that's where we would have liked to have gone, right down there. But there's building work, as you can see.
So we'll just stay here and try and get some pictures from here.
What are you doing? No, don't be closed.
Oh no! Oh, okay. Okay, so when we pulled up, there was actually a woman who was walking in, and she like shouted over to us, "You can park down there and then walk up." So that's what we're gonna try.
Yes, good woman. Didn't want to film her because, you know, awkward. Okay, so we've moved on up the road a little bit. It's actually quite close to where we were at Kinbean Castle, and we are now at Carrickreid Rope Bridge, which is actually closed, but we also knew that, but we are allowed to kind of walk up to it. We just can't cross the actual bridge.
Yeah, it seems like the coastal walk bit is open, so we're gonna walk around there and try and get some pictures. Literally every way you turn is just stunning. There's just pictures everywhere.
So yeah, gonna head on up this little lane to it, try and get some more snaps and show you how it looks. can't get to it anyway, and we can't really get a photograph of it. Fortunately, we don't have the drone, it never came. Yeah, can't really take a photo of it, but we have got some cool shots along the way that you may or may not have already seen.
It's so cute.
I might have to get you to stand up there for a photo.
Yeah, right.
Alright, so trying to get a shot of Christina, who is all the way over there. Quite a wide view. Wide shot. Should look pretty damn cool here.
And that brings us to the end of our trip up north. It is now time to head back home again.
It was good though. We did a little bit of exploring yesterday, as you would have seen. Weather actually stayed pretty damn good all day.
It was actually really nice. What did you think? What were your thoughts?
It's actually better than I thought. I knew the North Coast was epic, and I've seen a lot of photos of other photographers, probably more epic than I thought. Lots of views from literally everywhere. Everywhere you turn there's just another photo, and it was actually hard to stop ourselves not taking too many, because we have to look through them all and pick the best ones, and there's a lot.
It's kind of hard to believe that it's just a short drive up the road and we haven't been here more.
I think there's more for us to see. We would like to have actually got down to Kinbean Castle, but there's nothing we can do about that. We got some shots from it, still looks cool, but we didn't get to see the actual castle, but maybe next time. It's still quite early, and we just went for a little stroll around where the Airbnb is that we're staying. It's the Watertop Farm.
So we've got a little bit of time before we have to drive back down home again, so we're going to head to, I think, one of the local forests, try and get some more pictures there. It was actually hard to try and figure out what to do today because there's so many photo spots up around the north coast. Even when we just arrived, our lovely host, who's very friendly, was like telling us of all the nice places that we should go, and we're like, we're only here for 2 days.
Yeah,
we don't have enough time.
We need a little bit longer, and we're going to try and go to the Dark Hedges on the way home.
Hopefully.
But yeah, good little trip, and we look forward to returning at some point.
Hopefully you liked the pictures that we got. Let us know which one was your favourite.
Yeah,
we actually don't have a favourite right now because they're not all edited.
Yeah, if you enjoyed this one, guys, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. We're a new channel here, and it just helps the video get put out to more people who might want to see it.
And lots more trips just like this one coming up. We want to explore lots more places around Ireland. Subscribe if you enjoyed the videos. As we always say, take it easy. Don't be a stranger. Bye. See ya.
Check. The grooves in my mouth double as a breeze.